Hi, we're at the Toronto Motorcycle Show with Harley Canada with the LiveWire.
Alright, talk me through what we're doing.
So we are in road mode right now on the LiveWire. Here we go. Hold on tight.
Alright, I'm holding on. I can feel it sort of like losing the tail there. So, can you tell me like how the dash works?
So this is road mode. There are 4 riding modes.
Okay.
So I'll switch you. This is now into sport mode, which is a much faster response on the bike. And I can also switch you into rain mode, which has traction control. So you'll see that even though I'm giving it throttle, it keeps a steady speed up to about 50 kilometers, and then will allow you to increase your speed. And there are also 3 programmable modes for customization, and there's also an eco mode, which will help conserve the battery for longer riding. This is eco mode. There's no change in power, but it does help to recharge the battery. Every time you let off the throttle, it's almost like a regeneration of the battery.
And can you tell me a little bit about how I can see the battery life? Where do I see how much battery juice I've got?
Okay, there we go. So,
What did that say? No way?
okay, so in eco mode, this is how many kilometers you would have in the eco mode. And I can switch it into sport mode so you can see the difference. 80% battery life. And then you can also connect your phone, so for GPS or for finding a charging station on the route.
Can you show me how I can connect my phone? Yes, you can. Come on.
They have not shown me that feature
figure it
yet.
out.
This is for answering the phone right here.
Okay. So if we
And
were
you've
going,
got all your controls down here.
let's see if we can connect our phone. There must be a way. I have got my headlights on. Oh yes, baby. It says, oh, that's the horn. Cute. I think some of the lights don't work. Okay, let me turn the lights off. Hold on, I'm turning the lights off. Hang on.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay, I can't turn the lights off. Okay, we're scaring children.
There we go.
Oh, you gotta turn everything off when the lights go off. Okay.
So this is our charging.
Oh yeah, I want to see that.
Pop up. This is a 40 to 1 hour charge on the level 3 charging station. So similar to the Tesla charge. And at home, you can charge in a regular outlet in 11 to 12 hours.
And 11 to 12 hours will get me how far, do you think?
235 kilometers through the city and 153 on country roads, because in the city, when you let off the throttle, when you come to a stop, it actually regenerates the battery, so you get more kilometers.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I like it. Where's the ignition? How do I start it?
So your start, you're turning on the power here.
And how do I unlock it? Do I need?
So we have a key
fob?
tucked in. It's a keyless.
It's keyless.
It is a fob.
Okay.
And then your power would be on right here. And that's it. You're on. You're running. It's completely silent.
And can I see what the fob looks like? Do we have?
I'll see if I have it.
Oh. Okay, great.
So the seat would pop up.
Oh, that's the fob. And
So there's the fob.
okay.
So this would be in your motorcycle jacket, in your pocket, or you can keep it under your seat also. And you would take this with you once you've parked your bike.
And is that the
And then that
charging?
is the portable charging pack.
And so how
So
does
this
it
goes
work?
into
You
any
take it-
regular outlet. So you can literally take it right into your garage and charge it onto a regular outlet for 11 to 12 hours. Push here, it'll close this back down, and you're ready to ride.
Cool. So I guess having someone on the back is not that obvious.
It is an option because you do have the back pegs and a back seat, actually fairly comfortable.
Can you get on the back seat for me? Come on.
So this is on the back seat. Pretty comfy. Not bad, right?
Nice.